In this lecture we will see how we can use the script tag, but before that, if you like the video, consider subscribe and help us grow. So let's go back to our video. I already have defined the head and the body tag. I have separate videos for them. You can check it in my channel, so I will not explain them in this video. The first thing we want to do is one H3 tag to define some kind of title to our web page. Here write title. The next thing, I will define one paragraph and I will give him an ID which will be show. After this I will define my script tag, and inside this script tag I will say document get element by ID, and inside I will write my ID from the paragraph which is show, and I would add one more thing, that is the inner HTML, and I will say what I want to see in this paragraph, and it will be rocking codes with emitter. And we save the file. When we go to our browser, we can see the H3 tag here, the title, and our paragraph who was empty but now is filled with some text because we added. And when we check it with Ctrl+Shift and Z, we can see our script that basically defines the text inside this paragraph with ID show. So this is one basic way to use the script tag and write your JavaScript inside it, so you get the better control of your page and more dynamic changes. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment and share, and I see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.